Sarah K. Pangawilan. And now are going to tackle about the long jump in track and field topic.
So, sa long jump daw, kailangan ng simple or required na yung takbo is mabilisan and dapat consistent siya sa strides, no? Begin with the standing positions, no? Your take a foot forward. So, dapat na yung position ng paa is parang pasulong, no? Is sprint down the runway, hitting the take-off board on your 13th step without altering your stride. No? The take-off board is 8 inches wide and 4 feet long. Your foot should not go beyond the take-off line. Jump into sandpit, 2.73 to 3 meters wide, 9 meters long, and the distance is measured from your nearest body part landing point to the take-off line. So sa long jump, may tatlo tayong main technique. Una ang hits kick technique, pangalawa ay cell technique, and pangatlo is hang technique. So sa hits kick technique, ito na yung involved siya ng mabilisan or yung upward leg movement, no, followed by a kicking motions of that trailing leg. So itong technique na to, ini-aim niya, no, yung powerful and upward drive. O pansin niyo, 'di ba? Yan yung hits kick technique sa A. So sa pangalawa, it's cell technique. So dito naman ini-emphasize na yung extended, no? Kung napapansin niyo, parang na-extend yung katawan na streamline body position. So parang tumatakbo siya sa hangin. Yung cell catch technique is parang kinakatch niya yung wind. So this technique is pina-prioritize na yung maximizing distance through aerodynamic efficiency. So yung pangatlo is hang technique. So 'di ba? Dito yung parang may jumper siya. Yung jumpers maximizes hang time in the air. So by delaying, dinedelay niya yung katawan niya pero pa-rotation toward the landing position. So this technique naman ay nag-horizontal, parang this technique relies on maintaining a horizontal body position to cover more ground. So, dito naman tayo sa triple jump. So, sa triple jump ay nangangailangan ng consistency striding. So, kailangan yung leg is malakas and power. So, sa triple jumpers, legs take a beating in all three jump phases. So, hindi siya ganun ka necessary yung speed na hindi siya katulad nung long jump. So, dito sa triple jump, yung energy is panghuli. Binibigay nila yan sa panghuling landing nila. So, other than the use of 3 spin instead of 1, the triple jump applies the same competition's rules o as in the long jump. So, the triple jumps include 3 distinct segment. May tatlo silang, dito sa triple jump, may tatlo rin silang segment of action, the hop, the step, and the jump. So, sa triple jump sequence, may hop, step, and jumps. So, bago pa tayo mag-hop, kailangan na must take off and land on the same foot. And sunod yung step, must land or opposite route. So, sa jump naman tayo, must land in landing area. So, ito na yung triple jump sequence. Yung hop, step, and jump. Dumako naman tayo sa isang throwing events overview. So, itong throwing is isa rin siya sa track and fields events. Include shot put. So, discus throw, hammer throw, and javelin throw. All involves athletes hurling implements of various shape and weight for maximum distance. So, each event daw has a specific techniques and rules. Yes, no? Kanya-kanya yan silang technique and rules and equipment. So, athletes typically get 6 attempts and the farthest valid throw counts. So, itong shot put overview isa rin siya sa track and field event, no? Where an athletes put or throw a heavy spherical object or yung metal ball ba. So, hindi yan sila tinatapon. So, parang hindi tinatapon kasi nipu-put or nipu-push yung metal na yon para ma-shot, no? As far as possible, so unlike other throwing, hindi siya katulad ng throwing events like javelin or discus. The shot must be pushed, not thrown, from the shoulder using a specific technique within the designated circle. So, yung dun yung ah, athlete must stay within a 7 foot, no? Dun sa ang circle, dun sa meter nung diameter circle, 2.35 meter. Yun yung diameter circle during the attempt. So, the shot must land within a sector that spans 34.92 degree from the center of the circles. So the throw is measured from the inside edge of the circles to the closest mark made by shot in the landing area. Pero magkaiba rin yung ball na isa-shot nila. Magkaiba rin yung weight ng lalaki at saka babae. Kasi sa men is 220 kilograms and sa women naman is 4 kilograms lang. So each athlete gets 6 throws with the longest valid throw determining the winner. So, dito naman tayo sa technique ng shot put. So, we have grip. So, dito sa grip, rest the shot on your fingers, not the palm. Yun. Then pangalawa yun is hold the shot. So, kailangan yung bola is na-under siya sa jaw or chin, keeping your elbow outward. So, we have stance. So, stand naman at the back of the circles with your weight on your throw side. So, seated position. So, behind your knees and shape weight as if sitting preparing to glide forward. Number 5 is glide to power positions. So, ito na yung extend your weaker leg towards the sector and push off with your stronger foot. Push off with your stronger foot and glide forward. Keep your center of gravity low, landing with both feet, no? Shine ahead and strong foot near the center of the circles. Bend your knee, rotate your hips, and keep your body low and balanced. Chance put to punch. So chance put by springing and landing on both feet but at changing the placement of your feet. So that is the strong foot should now be in front of stimultaneously. So keep your throwing elbow up as your punch. Your throwing arm upwards towards the sector and finish that throw with a flick of your wrist and strong follow throw. So discus throw naman tayo sa discus throw is considered by many as the classic event of athletes. So men throw a 2 kilogram plate like a material called discus which may be made of hardwood and hard rubber. So metal or composite materials. Yun yung tinatapon ko na called. So, the woman naman, sa babae, discuss weight 1 kilogram. So, the measurement of the throw is made from the point where the discus first landed inside the 39.92 degree sector to the closed inner edge of the circle which has a diameter of 2.5 meters. So, the top contestants, no, yung top na contestant advance from the elimination round to the final round where they will be given 3 more throws. The longest single throw win. So, sino yung mas longest na natapunan, sila yung tatanghaling mananalo. And that's all, my reporter. Again, my name is Almera K. Pangawilan from BSCD 2B.